That's the best tweaks you can get there without crashing it on your 7.1.2 device. Seen many videos online, they show the best tweaks that are available for your iOS 7 device, but what are best ones and which do not crash on the iPhone 4S? Airdrop enabler for iOS 7.7 plus. So if you install that, like, you can have airdrop on your device, like the iPhone 4S, which I have here on your iPhone 4S too. So the thing is, like normal, let me just go ahead and show you the lock screen. It will look somewhat like this. So here you see I have airdrop option, so I can just enable if I want, and all those options will just zoom in. So the next tweak is AppCake. So what it basically does is allows you to download cracked apps, update them or directly on your device. So wait, what? Yeah, let's continue. So once you install AppCake, well, you should have them in your search once you have added all the tweaks, all the sources. So for example, like if I want to download a cracked app, for example, let me download Temple Run OS. Temple Run OS. Okay, sorry guys, that took a small while, but don't worry. So the third thing is Apple Find Contact. Well, install this. I mean, you need this. The next one is the App Sync for iOS 7.0 plus. So once installing this, you can install cracked apps and skip the verification. Well, so the next tweak will be something that changes the way you use your phone. So it's called OXO 2 for iOS 7. So OXO 2, well, you might be wondering whether what is this. This looks kind of cool and it looks kind of complicated. Trust me guys, it's kind of really easy to use, and let me just go ahead and demonstrate. Once you install this and go into settings, you should have OXO 2. There you go. So you'll have this. Just enable all three and the advanced options. If you like to go and swipe from the bottom, I get this multitasking. So this can even be done by double pressing the home button. So you have all these. Well, it's pretty normal and pretty standard to use. Just swipe it up if you don't need it, but it has kind of cool features such as when you swipe this, you have music, and then you have your normal buttons, we call it. Yeah, and on top you have, pull it down, and pull this down, you have airdrop and airplay. So this has all the features and it looks pretty good. But what's the great thing? Once I usually forget to switch the apps, it kills my battery. So all you have to do is just swipe this up and option to close all the apps, and there you go. For example, I'm in music, I want to go to home and I don't want to use this button. I can just swipe up from here and I'm in the home. And if you want to switch apps, you can just go to the left hotspot and swipe up, and then you can switch through all your apps easily. Advantage. Well, the next one is the blur enabler, as you can see. Well, this is not such a big tweak, but this looks incredible. As you can see, see the background, everything is blurred out. And so the next thing will be camera tweak 2. This is one of the biggest enhancement you could ever have on your iOS 7 device. Like, I love this tweak. So just let me just go ahead and oh yeah, there you go. Okay, so this is the normal app, as you know, but check this out. Using this, you can see whether the image is straight and it becomes yellow. I don't think you can see clearly, but this has even some awesome things such as ADV mode and then time lapse. And so yeah, coming up, there are many tweaks remaining. So the next tweak is the CC sliders. So I'll just go ahead and lock my device, pull down my control center, and okay, now yeah, as you see, this brightness slider is, just tap on this and then you have the ringer volume. You can adjust it. Well, and press it again, you have flashlight, and then you have the media volume, as you can see, the sync, and then is the brightness. Okay, so we have completed a countdown to the CC sliders. So the next one is cleaner. I know this iCleaner Pro outside, that's pretty good, cleans up your things, but I personally love cleaner. Like, this app looks incredible. Yeah, once you install it, you'll have this. So after you install this, the pretty minimalistic UI, I love minimalistic UI, that's the reason I love iPhone. Well, you can do a deep clean, they'll free up your memory, as you can see. And I just thought this might be a fake app and all. I went ahead and tested like 20 apps running in background, and then Antutu and doing the normal Antutu benchmarks, after cleaning up and shutting up all my apps. And I've got a higher score, like not 10 times higher, but it was a really great margin to move on with. So Cleaner is an awesome app if you do a lot of gaming and love all this sort of stuff. Make sure you have Cleaner, like just run a quick clean or deep clean just before start your game, and then you should have like better performance in your games. So after Cleaner, coming up is installed. Okay, maybe whatever. Okay, so go ahead. Yeah, you can get iFile. Well, this is an amazing trick. It's a sort of a root access app that you can have. Well, then go ahead. Once you install it, you should have iFile. It's like a file manager which allows you to access literally everything inside your phone. So it's like seeing your phone naked. Well, you can just go ahead and delete anything and you won't have any problems. I'm just kidding, you'll just mess up your phone if you do nonsense with that. So the next thing, iFile is an awesome thing that you might need if you're a developer. That's like sort of a heaven for you, isn't it? Heaven. Yeah. Install after iFile. Yeah, you have Link Store and Link Tunes. These two are one of my favorite hacks that have recently come out. Seriously, I love these. Let's just go ahead and show you. It's kind of mocks Apple badly. So, for example, I want to download a paid app from the app store. Like there's a new app that's come up in the app store. I desperately want it. For example, Booby Deleter. Okay, I don't know what the heck is this. I surely don't want this. Okay, let's see a paid app that I can afford. So yeah, cut the rope. Yeah, I love to have this game. Not that I've already completed, but I still want this. But I don't want to spend my money. So just click on Auto Link Store, and then it just searches for the file online, connects to the server, sends a request, and then downloads it without even having to do anything. You just click on that one simple button, Auto Link Store. There it is. Well, it's loading. Well, let me just demonstrate this. Well, yeah, this will take a while. Come on, baby, don't be mean. Come on, baby, don't be mean. Yeah. It happens twice or thrice sometimes, but the file bay is a nice site as well as my knowledge. So the file bay, come on, don't be mean. Yeah, the download will start immediately. So go to home screen, and there you go. We'll start downloading the app. It's first waiting. My internet is not that fast, so I might have issues downloading it. Yeah, as you can see, it has begun downloading, and you can even update your apps. I'll show you from where you update it. Just go to updates right here. Wait a second. Yeah, go to updates, and there you go. You'll see the circle right there. Click on that. They'll show you the Link Store updates. Well, I don't want this game right now, so I'll just go ahead and delete it. Yeah, go ahead and go to iTunes Store. Doesn't matter what country you live in. So for example, I want to download Love the Way You Lie. So there'll be a button right here, Link Tunes. Go ahead, type the song that you want. Love the Way You Lie. So as you can see, I have Eminem's, like all Eminem's songs right there. So okay, stop. Yeah, you can just go here ahead and download your songs. For example, this. Well, I don't need this, Eminem. If you check out my music library, you will know how much I love Eminem. All his albums, excluding the extras and Road to Recovery. I have all his albums except that. Well, I've got them legally, so don't say I've downloaded them from iTunes. I love Eminem. Well, Die Hard. And if you want to say something, I'ma kill you. Okay, so after that, you have one of the most useful tweaks if you're running an iPhone 4S on an iPhone 4. So, it's called no slow animations, and you can see how fast my phone runs. It's like a snappy experience that you can get out of your old iOS 7.1 device. Well, let me show it to you. No slow animations. Just go ahead and set it to 0.50, and it should give you the most awesome animation experience you could think you can get. And it doesn't cut off the animations, like there's no frame skip for the animations. It just runs so great. So coming up with our next applications. So I've already shown you many. So next one is Safari Downloader Plus. So the Safari Downloader Plus, you can just get it, from the sources that are provided in the description. Duh. And after that, well, once you go into your Safari, opens up Safari. You can be so mean. Come here to daddy. Okay, so what this basically allows you to do is just download any file that you want. As you can see, I've downloaded Pokemon game ROMs actually, Emerald, Final Fantasy, and you can even set the location where you're downloading it, and you can share it through Airdrop. I don't know if you can share it to Airdrop, but you have options for sharing it. So let's just go ahead, and this is a very simple tweak and very useful too. So let's go to Cydia. Cydia, baby, load fast. Yeah, I know you can do it. Yeah, don't be mean. Yeah, so yeah, we're about to finish our countdown, and yeah, the next one is same status. Once you install this kind of a simple tweak. Well, as you know, once you the status bar in the lock screen is a little bit bigger than the thing it is in the springboard, the home screen. So installing this will make it of the same size, so don't notice the difference. Let's just go ahead and show you. 5955. See, it's the same size now. Well, you'll say I'm just lying, but just go ahead and try it. Trust me, guys. Yeah, stop texting me, people. Yeah, that was customer care, so those only guys who text me. I'm alone. Okay, anyhow, let's go ahead and yeah. Now, so animation's done. So if I downloaded done, same status. Yeah, this is yet an awesome tweak that you can get. Status HUD 2. So what this allows you to do, increase the volume rate. Okay, set your phone to silent. Ding. Notice? And then change the volume. It looks pretty awesome. Well, you might not like it, you might hate it, but trust me guys, it's sort of useful. In apps, like playing a game, volume, or what, everything's blocked, I can't see my game. Okay, so that happens, that's the very reason that I love it, and it looks pretty decent and looks sort of built into iOS. So the next one is Zipline. This is a free tweak, or you don't have to worry if it's free or not, because the sources are provided allow you to download anything for free. So what this allows you to do, coming back to status bar, come on, yeah, as you can see, EA ka logo there, EA babe, EA, you can change it, just go to settings, Zipline, and so many options to choose from. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and just change it to Ferrari. Come to daddy, mommy, come to daddy. Ding, Ferrari logo. This, you can even do one more cool thing, change career text. I'll change it to crying dude, and then switch this off. And okay, sorry for the focus, and you can see there that little cutie pie. Okay, let me just go ahead and change it to my favorite. Well, not a donkey, trust me. Okay, I'm sort of not used to all this shit, but where's the alien? Yeah, there you go. Now I have alien as my carrier. So thanks for watching, guys. These are my favorite tweaks on the iOS 7. Make your iOS 7 on iPhone 4 is super cool, super smooth, and on iOS 7.1.2, 7. Oh, I got a message. You can't see this, guys. Sorry. Bye.